I would recommend this place because I think they pay attention. My name is Ade Ogunleye. I'm in Dental Art Implant Clinics. Today I got my implants cleaned. Once upon a time, I didn't have implants. I had my teeth and then I came here and I took them all out. And now these things are not mine, they are just implants. Honestly, my teeth were quite terrible. And my options were either implants or removable dentures. And I just felt that implants was a more comfortable option for me. Actually, I heard about them from a friend of mine. Even though I wanted to do this implants thing for a long time, the first people I was gonna go with had a large part of their operation in maybe Turkey, Istanbul, something like that. And then COVID came along, and I also wanted a local alternative. I didn't want to have to book a plane and travel abroad just for that. I think like a lot of things, you have to make up your mind to be in a positive state. The dentist that took my teeth out, I felt she was really good. I think she did a wonderful job. So overall, I think I've been happy. I would recommend this place because I think they pay attention to your requirements. Yeah, I think I'd recommend them because they pay attention.